While using your Gmail account, you might want your picture to appear when emails are sent to someone. Like in this case, you can see here, there's a picture that's appearing in the message. So how do you put a profile picture in your account? Well, it's quite simple, and I'm just going to show you now. What you do is you go to your top right and click there, and then click where it says manage your Google account. Once you have clicked that, all you have to do is to go to this picture or a photo icon. When you highlight it, it says change profile picture, and you just click it. It's going to ask you whether you're going to take illustrations which are pre-made, or take a picture of yourself, or upload from a device. So if you click on this one, it will go to your camera and take a picture of you, which is quite easy, or you can upload from the device or use existing illustrations. So what I'm going to do now is to upload an existing picture that I have. In my downloads, I have a picture that I got. In this case, I'm just going to upload from the device a picture that I already have. I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to go to the downloads and click that. This is a picture that I created using AI. So once it uploads, it will then appear here, and then you can crop it or move the picture around, whatever you'd like to do, like that. And once you do that, you then click next and then save as profile picture. So this picture will then appear as your profile picture on your Google account. That's how you do it. It's quite simple.